Office of the Senior Special Assistant to the Governor on Pipeline Surveillance, Petroleum Products Monitoring and the Edo State Task Force join hand collabo with the Edo State unit of NUPENG and IPMAN Surveillance team to launch one big plan wey go help stop pipeline vandalism, illegal oil bunkering and petroleum product adulteration. The initiative na to protect government revenue, make fuel dey stable and stop environmental wahala. As part of the work, on March 11, 2025, the surveillance team waka around petrol stations for Benin City to check whether dem dey follow meter regulation and if dem dey cheat their customers. The inspection cover many filling stations for Benin Agbo Road, Ohwae and other places inside the city. During the inspection, dem see say plenty filling stations like Chief Vincent Petroleum, Rume Oil, Emalis, Erichukra Industrial Limited, Kriv Oil, NNPC and Charlie Auto Supply, among others, all for Benin Agbo Road, don adjust their meters to shortchange consumers. The surveillance team can't seal the stations immediately, but some other stations like Jumok, Corn Oil, Meyewere and 2 Nipcon stations wey also dey Benin Agbo Road follow the rules, so dem no seal them as dem dey sell with correct meter. Most of the stations wey dem visit no even resist the team at all as dem dey do their check. But for one NNPC station wey dey for Benin Agbo Road, the staff try block the surveillance team make dem not check the place, but after proper inspection, dem come see say the station dey under dispense fuel. Our tori person, the articulate patriot, get more details.
You cannot measure.
Wait, you cannot support.
No, it's not. You can't.
Excuse me.
Sir, you can't.
I say you cannot stop us.
I say you cannot. You know me.
Boy, do your
Take this 20.
Oh yeah, weapon.
Take this 20. Quickly take the 20.
Wait, never weapon.
Quickly take
Weapon,
20.
weapon. Oh yeah, start again.
Okay, you put another thing.
No program, start now. Go on now. You see the difference when you people now. 382.7 almost 4 liters.
Almost 4 liters.
Big boy bucket so that we come.
No, right now. Who did they go right now?
Record. Okay.
Wait,
Take this up quickly. Take this up.
let me write.
Oh yeah now.
No weapon.
This 20.
0.43, Abi? 0.
Wipe now, wipe. Weapon, oh yeah, put on now. Start. Small. They go. Small. They go. Okay. How many?
2. Yes. Look at it. Difference of 2.
Difference of 2.
Out of how many liters? 20 liters. Difference of 2.
1,192.
Petroleum and pipeline product monitoring when they carry body. Collabo with IPMAN Surveillance and NUPENG Surveillance. They carry waka on this place this morning to come check some of the filling stations. When it be said that they do DBT, that the two things were not correct. And if they watch now, the people at the filling station, that they run, they go inside because of the DBT where they don't do and the bad things where they don't put their hands. And when they carry waka, they enter this place, they check their station to know how their meter they read, to know those where they on their dispense. So, those people now begin to look them now to know whether this people they on their dispense or not. This one are Rumen Oil and Gas for Benin Agbo Road. As soon as they say, and so the consider one that looks so now they take the check on their dispense. Everybody they know where this NNPC they use, DPRO they use, everybody they use them. And at 20 liters now they don't want people inside this place. So everybody go know the difference between the 20 liters and the one where they tight the pump where we both they call on their dispense. Make we begin watch.
Okay. Weapon.
Wait, not up to. Just wait, not up to. Okay. Yeah, go and wipe it.
Oh, yeah, bring a con. Wipe on me, bring a.
Wipe on.
Wipe on me, can I come? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, come.
Oh yeah, those people make una open our eyes well, make we begin to check out. From the meter, we don't know whether difference there or not.
Okay, wait.
Small.
Oh, yeah, go.
It's okay. That's small.
Huh? Just small.
Try. This one, try, not this one.
You know this one?
No.
Okay. Wait till
Where your pocket?
Wait till we see for room filling station. Anywhere where be say even though small you do and a half you do, all of them are default and all of them are stealing.
Yeah, take it round.
As soon as they see now, rumor filling station, they do small that dispense. When it be said the 1 liter whether they sell for people not the correct, it use some figures stay different. And you know, when be say surveillance, they meet together to monitor this product. Now for the betterment of Edo people and Niger people, when it be said that they see the place today, make them make sure say they go rerun their meter, make it correct for Edo people to the consume and Niger people they consume. You know, if you buy product at the end of the day, you they sell for people, you they do people GBT, you they steal from people. So now that they see the station, when it be saying sanity, and be say the state government and other agencies will collaborate with them to try to be together. We don't carry waka enter this place to begin to check for their pump, how they sell, whether they sell correct or not. We dey here to see with our eyes, and all these things where we do so. Not be saying now for punishment. Now Edo state government and the people who collaborate with them, they do them. Now just to make Edo people feel free to enjoy the government of today, to enjoy the system of today. Because a situation whereby some people will say they buy fuel for motor, before you know they buy 5,000 naira on, and at the end of the day, now 3,000 naira down. Now all those things make them come collaborate together to say, IPMAN Surveillance and NUPENG Surveillance come join body with the SSA Surveillance from government house to say, may they begin to do their check to make Edo people understand, say, if they sell for 990 naira, it will be according to the 1 liter of 990 naira. So we're there here today for GMOC. We could use our eyes, see what thing they happen, whether not true, whether not lie, whether people they buy. Because when you put fuel for tank, at the end of the day, you know they see where the tank is, only the gauge now you for the CM. So with this one, we'll carry come here. So we be say this gauge, now certified gauge, we'll take and know the difference between the 1 liter and the one with the joiner.
Okay. Where is the manager?
What's the difference? 0.71. Huh? 0.71.
Where's the bucket? Green bucket. 0.7.
It is
0.7. Actually 0.6.
all right for GMOC where we enter, so we don't discover say that 0.7. I come out here, we be said in normal. When we say the normal, I be this one. So we they come up for this place, yes. So where would they go? This one is IPMAN filling station for Biniagboro, same direction where we did since. Where we do the carry on since 8:30 this morning, and we don't reach this place. So we they check the pump now right now to know whether it is under dispense, whether they are meter correct, whether they sell according to the money where they put for there, because the money where they see here now 916 naira per liter. Whether they do people GBT or they do 50 to people, we will begin know by the time they put 20 liters for this can to check the main measurement for right now.
Wipe. Don't go back. Wipe. Oh yeah, continue.
You know what? We never wipe now.
Put the nose in the tomato. Yeah.
Once more. Which one? I'll tell you.
See, they put now. Try to go that red line. Me not pass it. They plan. I want to watch and you do it to control this.
Very big foul.
Where your pocket? Bring your pocket.
with the report what they see for this place, so you know, not saying 960 naira, now that they sell 1 liter. And when they put their 20 liters, it never reach the level. By the time they see they get down where it can be saying now 1 liter, now they take the get difference when they take tidy a pump. With 1 liter, if person buy like 20,000, you know, 1 liter, how much would they have 960? You know how much we will come up with that place. So for this place now, they go shut down small, depending on when they see the management of the place, how make it quite explain to government and the people to make them understand, say, waiting make them tidy form. Here now in my last filling station for Bini Agbo Road, where we say if they come from town, it's there by the right. Where you they come from the Agbo side, it's there by the left. We could not forget, say, most of the things where we say the state government promised the people, say, all those GBT, where we say all the TV where people they do, for a time, it will reduce many. Even though not eradicate all of them, or it will reduce them small. And we don't use this for these stations, they start the work for today. We don't carry Waka enter corner here for the same Bini Agbo Road for Benin City, those states. When they be saying at the same check, now we still check the goal to know how these people say they sell.
Slowly, eh? Slowly. We do it very slowly. Slowly.
Small.
Yes, yes. Yes, go on. Yeah, slow. You're doing the best.
It's okay. It's okay.
You see? This is the best. Frank, see your pastor to run. At this place they call Charlie for Benin Agbo Road again. When they be say their meter, they beat almost 2 liters, and their meter read for here. So we are going. This is me everywhere. Benin Agbo Road by Okwa.
No, sorry. Just 0.9. It's okay.
And this one be Osakwe filling station.
The surveillance team don warn all the filling stations wey dem seal say make dem set their meters correct and stop to dey cheat people. Say if they come back again, any station wey no change go face permanent closure from Edo State government. More update go come as the task force continue their operations. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ujesele reporting for TMC TV.